Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey folks, this is the real deal right here. This is not a clone. This is a genuine Shelby GT350 listed in the registry. And it's had the same owner for the last 20 years. It's a really great car. Why don't we take it for a spin? You can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find all the specs, pricing, photos, even underneath of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that we have for sale. It's volocars.com. The owner of this car told me over the phone before I had seen it that the fit and finish is really the strong point of this car, and I would agree with them. All the gaps, all the body panels fit really, really well. The thing is laser beam straight. The paint is just polished, very smooth and glossy, and this is a 20-year-old paint job and it still looks this good. That says a lot. You got the Shelby tail lights, which actually he borrowed from 65 Thunderbird. Got the exhaust coming out the middle there. Of course, the dovetail trunk and quarter panel extensions. This is a factory-born red car. Those are reflective stripes. They light up when the light hits it. Got the correct Shelby wheels. These are brand new BF Goodrich tires he just put on there. And all the trim and glass and everything looks really nice. Windshield's crystal clear. It's got the sport mirrors. Now from here forward, this is fiberglass. This is how Shelby made them. Fiberglass fenders and hood. It's got hood pins here. Oh, that one's tight. The owner of the car went out of his way to have this detailed out to factory specs. He bought the right brake booster. He actually took it to a Mustang restoration shop and had them go through this whole motor compartment. It's got the Cobra fin valve covers. This is a factory air car too, I forgot to mention. Of course, power steering, power disc brakes. It's got the Lucas fog lamps up front. Shelby interior was the deluxe interior. They came with an actual roll bar in here with a shoulder harness, retractable shoulder belts that come down. It's got the fold down back seat. This is all the deluxe door panels in mint shape. It's got excellent, excellent interior. Got the red mats sewn right into the carpet. It's got the collapsible spare here with the jack, nice mat, good clean trunk compartment. There's a brand new car cover in the box still. And this is all painted up real nice, nice rubber. It's got the Shelby console, which is new, by the way. He had that replaced. I'm going to start it up for you. It's an AM/FM radio. Of course, it has the tachometer. Dash pad's mint. That's a tilt steering wheel. Up above, the headliner, visors, the mirror, everything's very nice. All the plastic trim, the panels in the back, it's all in excellent shape. This is a really well cared for car, not a beat up car. This is beautiful. This is show quality under here. You can hear it runs perfectly. This is a show quality car. Door jambs are glossy. It is listed in the registry, factory red, air-conditioned car. Very well dialed in. So there you have it. One of the sexiest Mustangs ever made is sitting right here, a red Shelby Fastback. I think the Fastback's better looking than the convertibles. So go to volocars.com, and if you have any more questions or concerns or need shipping or financing, there's plenty of ways to contact us on our website, and we've got a whole bunch of people here that are willing to help you. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.